Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Duy Phan. In this video, I'm going to describe what is an algorithm, pseudocode, and flowchart. An algorithm is defined as a step-by-step sequence of instructions that describes how the data are to be processed to produce the desired outputs. An algorithm can be described by using pseudocode or flowchart. Pseudocode is a step-by-step description of the sequence of instructions in an algorithm. Flowchart visualize the structure and logic of an algorithm using a flowchart diagram. Let's look at the flowchart elements. We have the terminal, the input or output, the process, the decision, the flow lines, the connector, and the predefined process. Let's have a look at an example. In this example, on the left-hand side, we have the pseudocode. We have the start of the algorithm, taking the input number 1 and number 2. And then we have a if condition here. It's a branching condition. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then max gonna be equal to number 1. Else max equal to number 2. And then end of the branching condition. And then finally, you're gonna output the max. And we will end the algorithm here. On the right-hand side, we have the corresponding flowchart of the same algorithm. We start, and then we taking the input number 1 and number 2, and we have a branching condition here. If it's false, max is number 2. If it's true, max is number 1. In both situations, it will output the max at the end, and we finish our algorithm here. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.